What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. They don't know say the attacking boss there, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I me say attack. Because right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me I go drop some attack, me I go launch some attack, and me I go radam some attack. No joke about it right about now, my viewers and subscribers. And you see when me I go attack you now, you see any boy feel a way about it, or feel offended about it, on a running. You understand? Cause a straight attack. Remember me telling that. Cause you see right now, my viewers and subscribers, for any boy out there who have in them intention and them mindset, so them are gonna take out no woman life. Because a woman are only they dead together and whatever no work out or whatever go on, attack for honor. You get what me I say, my people? Straight attack. Because you see that story what me I go cover now, my viewers and subscribers. It's such a shame. You get what me I say? Some boys are let down. Some boy not deserve no chance. Some boy deserve to be a Jamaica. You understand? I'm going to woodland them and go chop down woodland for the rest of them life. You get me? I say, some boy deserve some of the harshest, dirty thinking piece of work them I could have ever done. Them not forget no chance. Because you say real people them who want the chance, lot of them nah get it. You see some piece of sin thing who get it, my people. Yo, I one of them sin thing over the attacking boss I go talk about now, my viewers and subscribers. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, them said this instant when I talk about now, my people, happened Tuesday gone, you know, you understand? So Tuesday gone, that be August the 23rd, 2022, people. So, them say now, my people, over there in a Maryland, you understand? In a USA, one part over there, my viewers and subscribers, you have this Jamaican female who is 34 years old, and she have a husband who is 37 years old, my people. But them say in recent times, things now work out, you understand? They bring forth two kids together, which she have an outside kid before them together, my people, who is 17 years old. You understand? She have a next one with the Aussie, who is 5 and 1 with a couple months old. Look a young baby, my people. See? So them say, since recently, things now work out between them in their marriage and things, my people. So, some separation, go on. See? So Tuesday I know my viewers and subscribers, which is August the 23rd, 2022, my people. You know what? Them still have two youth together and thing, my people. So connection have to make link up, have to make my people. You see me? So some link up for make my viewers and subscribers. See? And then meet up my viewers and subscribers. So Ozzy meet up with wife, you know? Remember them not live together again, you know, my people. Then shortly after my people, them make checks, them find the female suffering from a shot wound to the head, my people. See, when police investigate and do them checks of people, them find out, see, the same thing owes the Aussie, my people, manage to do something like this. Them hold on upon him, my people, and charge him. You understand? For slaughter and for first degree, this and that, my viewers and subscribers. This same thing, yeah. You understand? This same thing, we're going to let down Jamaican again. This same thing, this consumption, this ransumption, my people. See, and when me I go telling about the old piece of sin thing, you see it, look, my people. Eh? You see it favor when lizard want change color and can't change it. You know what I mean? When it a force it change the color and can't change it. Eh? You see it favor caterpillar, my people. You see it favor kangaroo jack. Look on it good. This piece of sin thing is an embarrassment to Jamaica. And for the man them at Jamaica who want a chance, and this is why them can't get it. This sin thing are my people. God number one, you know, my people. They manage to go in our states, you know. You feel say the sin thing go in our state like say a worker him go get him 10 years and go over them, my people. Them say this female, the 34-year-old female who's deceased now, my people. Them say she migrated to the state when she was 11 years old. You understand? Because her family them boom, she migrated to the state. Because mommy over there, daddy over there, brother over there and something, my people. She migrated to the state when she was 11. So them say when she married, she always when in her adult age, she come back to Jamaica back and forth. And this is in her one of her trip there, my people. She managed to meet this piece of sin thing here. Yes, this consumption, this ramsumption, this jamsham kumbum this piece of sin thing here. Yes, sin thing. She managed to meet it, my people, and so she comes a boom now. Them saying at 2013. She fly down the yard, marry the sin thing, my people, and file feet and bring it over there in the state. And see what me and now, my people. They bring forth, as me tell her, two youth together, my people. Should have one outside who is 17 The 5-year-old and one with a couple months, my people. Then, and you see what the same thing do? You see what the same thing do, my people? Let down. Shame, shame, shame. Disgrace to Jamaican human race. Attack, attack, attack. Piece of same thing. The woman come down a yard. She take you up and carry you over there in the state. Give you a better life because when you look upon your sin thing, you can see that be a Jamaica go through the worst of life. Eh? She give you a chance, no matter what happened or occurred over there, remember that two you together. Eh? How much of you go there? You still can't learn off of how much of you make the mistake. But you make this demon fly in your head, in your mindset. And because the woman left you, you understand? I know you alone woman left. How much man out there woman left? And then never the end of the road for them. They still continue life and continue them journey. But you piece of sinting who is 37-year-old, big man of brain, big head for think. Eh? You feeling a yourself now, say, you can go take out the people and picking it. Eh? And so bold with it enough and tough too. You want to live. Because see if you never you take out yourself in a but you want to live. You take somebody 3 point. See? Or you fool. You don't love your youth them because you don't think about them and think about the consequences of what going to occur. Because now youth motherless and fatherless. Or you cruel, heartless and tough and wicked same thing. Eh? You see the attack on me I give you same thing. Honestly, I wish I could have find all them cell there, you know. You understand? And rolling at them cell there, you know. And really attacking, you know. You understand? I wish I could have find myself in a them place there. But between you fool, me I tell you, yo, eh? What a disgrace, my Jamaican people, human race, everybody a yard. What a disgrace. What a consumption, what a ramsumption, my people. Look what this sin thing has done, my people. Eh? Look how much man they a yard want a chance, want an opportunity, and them can't get it. Eh? Look how much man out there in the cane field, them a chuck people and a pray every day so you may life to get a bus. And I can guarantee and tell a ladies out there, don't give up enough. Don't bother being tricked, don't bother fool. I make none of them same thing a fool you and tell us so you can't get that bus there and tell us so you can't get the chance there. Because a lot of them, they are wicked, they are vicious. You understand? But don't let this same thing be the one to discourage you. You understand? And making a move forward. You get what me I say? Because good man still out there, but this same thing my people. Eh? Right now, me I say the people them out there. Them can't even tell the little one, the 5-year-old, say, no, say, mommy gone. Because all the things she thinks, say, mommy gone out, they gone do shopping or buy something, mommy soon come back. You understand? Them have to go see counseling for talk. Eh? The mother go through a lot, even our brother, our big brother go through a lot, same with our son, my people. Them feel it. You understand? Nice female who them say was an assistant dentist, my people. And see them? She fly a yard in my people. She meet the same thing, my people. Ladies out there. You see a lot of them same thing, I want to help them. Them cruel, them vicious, them wicked. And me feel it, as me say, you know, some boy we feel a way when me talk, you know. You understand? Because if you don't have the same intention and the same mindset, see them same thing, I want to do a straight attack for no boy. No destruction. When me telling you already, you want to make it bad for other real people out there. Eh? If the pum say, yo, it's not for you no more. No matter what you do, think about the good time. You know how much pum tell me say you're not for me no more? And me see new man a champ plate now. Me see new man have it up now. Me see new man ring it up now. What me a go do? Offended and go meet you one hour and go do and finish it off for what? Eh? Life is there to live. And at the end of the road that. Eh? And at the end of the road, you not finish. But uno sin thing now, uno just, yo. Look them people, the lady give the sin thing a chance. But what me feel say is, toward the same thing, maybe over there and what listen to me people, because a chance of the human game, you know. Maybe he might be a foolish and human even see the purpose of him over there. And she decides, you know why I hit this for you, me I gonna get you out because there's a destruction, there's a consumption, there's a ramsumption, there's a crosses to me in my place. And the same thing, me I feel offended with the whole of that my people, but that him cost everything for himself. But see the way it reached there. My ladies out there, me I tell you now, careful of some of them same thing, real levels. Me I talk for the ladies them, this topic is for the ladies them. A lady is a victim right now. She's 34-year-old. She not living a life yet. Gone left for 3 youth them. You understand? All because one of them same thing. If she was bad and she a get way, you no fear no more, bro. You understand? Things now work out. All the way a lot of man go through it and what? We never see at the end of the road. Sometimes things were not meant to be. We will be together. We love each other, but down the line things go the other way. When we do the best thing for doing, lot of time about the car ring the power finger, separate on yourself before it reach to a limit and reach when the devil go strike. But these people are same thing in premeditated for people that meet one away and so what it did. So what it did because what? Only just sees that he knows. But my people, big up on yourself, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks and love, thanks for the support. You don't know one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss, my people. It's that same thing there. Attack! I mean, now stop attack. Remember, my people, NEWLINK back to school treat. Support the moment we need no support, my people. Please join in and support. Peace out. Big up.